out there. Studio Essence Salon, Dallas.
We now present on stage, out of the gritty streets of South Dallas, glory, the one and only,
It's time! Yo, check it out. This your boy Bill, and I'm coming live from the studio.
Yes, sir.
You know I'm paying for a lot of phone, but I want all you people to know with these big fancy phones, y'all got it going on. But I just want to let you understand, I ain't trying to make no change. I want you to know one thing, baby. I got a flip phone. Yeah. I got a flip phone.
He's got a flip phone.
I got a flip phone. It lasts all day long. With my flip phone.
He's got a flip phone.
My flip phone. So people trying to tell me to get rid of my phone. They looking for a charger, but it lasts all day long. My flip phone. I can't get rid of my flip phone. No, not my flip phone. Hold on. What's going on? This your boy, this Bill. I'm talking to you on my flip phone. It's real. Can you hear me? It's real. Yeah. Hey, praise the Lord, everybody. I want you to know I'm talking to you on my flip phone. Well, I gotta go. It's my flip phone. Hello. Talking to you on my flip phone. We at the barber shop. No, I'm finna take your brother to choir rehearsal. Huh? Where you going?
On the flip phone.
Oh, my flip phone.
Come on, boy.
Yeah, praise the Lord, everybody. I just want to let you know, it's not what type of phone you have, it's just having a phone. All you want to do is call somebody. Get on the phone and tell somebody that Jesus is on the main line.
Come on with it.
And all you got to do is call him up and tell him what you want. If you need a little love, call him. If you need a little peace, call him. All you got to do is call Jesus. Oh, Lord. I got to leave you now. I got to go to choir rehearsal and let the boy beat them drums. Yeah, Lord. I got to leave y'all.
Yeah.
Just before I go, y'all, look over here. Don't it look good? Look at it. She's smiling as they walk out the shop. She feeling good now.
Yeah,
Lord. Look at them leaving. Oh, look at them leaving. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, Lord. All right, man. That's it, baby. Praise the Lord, man. We love God, man.
Yes, sir.
They love him here at the studio, man.
Yes,
I
sir.
love coming here. I'm telling y'all, man, there's no place like the studio, baby, because, you know, you come here, you have a great time. They love the Lord here.
Yes, sir.
You know, we have a good time. We talk about good topics. So this is the place to be. So if you don't have anywhere to go, you don't have nowhere to get your hair combed, get your hair cut, hey, come over to the studio, man, because guess what? Forget the rest. This is the best because they're the one to get the job done.
Yes, sir.
At the studio.
Studio Essence. It's more than a haircut.
It's an experience.
It's an experience.
Oh!
77 Ferguson Road, Suite 106, Dallas, Texas 75228. Come holler. Bye.